11.2, determine probability of A or not B. Right, so here, what we need to understand here is if we had to expand this, let's write this in a mathematical notation way. So A or not B is B apostrophe. And if we were to expand this using our addition formula, we get the probability of A plus the probability of not B minus the probability of A and not B. So we know what the probability of A is. That we can just go ahead and sub in. We know that that is 0.4. And the probability of not B is every single thing that doesn't have B. So that would be A and everything outside the Venn inside the Venn diagram but outside circles. So this would be the 0.4. This would be 0.3 as well as the 0.45. So if we were to just get this Venn diagram, let's just get our Venn diagram. If we have a look at our Venn diagram, what not B is referring to, it is referring to where A is over here. So this entire part here, as well as everything around on the outside. So that is where our 0.45 comes from. Right? So that is everything shaded in yellow. And that is 0.75. So 0.3, which is P of A only, and everything outside the circles. Then we're looking at P of probability of A and not B. So in other words, that's just a fancy way of saying probability of A only. So that is minus 0.3. And that's how we get our answer of 0.85. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way you can do it is just by reading it off the Venn diagram. So you can actually go ahead and count it if you wanted to. And another alternative calculation approach, I'll just write the formula. So this is alternative approach. We can work out what probability of A or not B is by taking 1 minus the probability of only B. So maybe this one is slightly shorter. So here you can just take 1 minus 0.15 and that gives you 0.85 as well. Alright, so that's just the alternative approach if you understand the theory behind how the formulas work. We understand that probability of A or not B plus the probability of B only gives you 1.